Adding pages to your site is one of the first steps you need to take. Although we can always add pages and take them off. Pages are not only let's say the place where you put the content on, but it's also a great feature because it's basically the links on the bar at the top of the site. I'll show you. These are all the pages, and you have complete control over this bar here in any theme that you choose. And again, we chose 2010. This video is the same for .com and .org users. So let's see how we create new pages. So we go here, pages. I can see all the pages that I have ready, or just immediately add a new one. Let's start by adding a new page, and you will see that we can play along with also their locations. We can create submenus. It's actually pretty cool. So add a new page. Let's call this page demo 1. Okay. Now I can decide a few things about this page. First of all, even without editing any content or putting here articles or things like this, which I will show you in other videos, what I can do immediately is, first of all, decide on the order. Maybe I want it to come first, obviously after the home button. Let's make sure that this one is first. Can decide which template to use. Not many options on this specific theme, but on other themes you may have many more options, especially if you're a .org user. And I can decide on a parent. I'll show you again a little bit later on this video what that means. Now you'll see that immediately when I chose the name of the page, it created a short link, http yda-tutorial.wordpress.com/demo1. Now here's a very important remark. If you're planning on buying your own domain, your own URL, without the wordpress.com, let's say yda-tutorial.com, which I showed you in the first video of how to set up WordPress, don't open pages until you create your own domain and put your WordPress site on it, because all these short links will remain. The yda-tutorial.wordpress.com, they are not going to change, and it will be very difficult to change them manually later on. So first of all, buy your domain, then create pages. Well, let's start. Let's publish this page. Let's call the demo 1, and this page will appear shortly live on the live environment. Of course, I need then to create some content for this page, but right now it's on, and I want to add another page, and I'll show you the example of exactly why. I'm going to show you with another page, but this page is going to be a submenu. It's not going to be an independent page. It's going to be called sub about. Again, I'm just making up names as I go along. It means nothing. First of all, you can see immediately the short link was created, and here the difference is that I'm going to use it as a parent. The parent is going to be, you see I have the two pages I have open are here. One of them, the about page, is going to be the parent page, and I'll show you exactly how it looks like right now once we publish this new page. Once it's published, I'll show you exactly how it looks like on the real live site. So let's go back to our website. Remember, these are the old pages. Home, which is a default, you can take it off and you shouldn't take it off, and about, which you can change. But let's see. I refresh now. First of all, the about, you can see the demo 1 page, which I created, and look, when I send on about, sub about. This is the other page that I created as a sub menu, and you can do as many sub menus as you want, and you can add more items to the sub menu. When someone stands on the top link, they will see in the entire submenu, and if you remember how we did it, we basically designated this page as let's say it has a parent, and the parent is the about page. So you can either create new pages or create pages underneath the pages that you create, and you can always see all the pages, and you will see also the hierarchy. When you click on all pages, you can see parent page, daughter or son page, parent page, and you can have more pages underneath, and of course you can edit any of these pages anytime that you want. So create as many pages as you want, but just a small suggestion, and I'll show you again my website. Try to keep them in one line, which means that if you create too many pages and you go here too much to the right, it will break down to another line of links, and that's a little bit, I don't want to say ugly, but it's less, let's say, less attractive. Keep it on one line, and you can see I used many sub menus to many of the categories, and it gives the site a fresh look, a new look, and basically this is how you add pages. We'll talk about content of pages a little bit later.